We're spending some time with Dr. Stephen Marsh, who's always good company. Doctor, thanks for spending a little of your lunch hour with us today.
My pleasure, Joe, and I always think of you as good company as well.
Thank you, sir. We go way back.
Yeah.
And you know what? Let's talk about the good company that you and your team provide, because I went on Google reviews and I invite anyone to do so. You can actually see I'm holding up an actual review from Brian. He said, I had my initial visit with Dr. Marsh today. Exceptional experience. The staff is incredibly friendly, makes you feel like you're part of their family. And Dr. Marsh takes time to get to know you. Definitely coming back to Dr. Marsh and his team for future dental needs. Way to go. 5 stars.
Well, thanks so much. I actually use this room and this round table to meet with new patients and find out about them, their life, their teeth, that sort of thing, what's important to them. And our whole group does. Joe, we have anywhere between 9 and 16 years experience here just with us. We haven't changed people in a long time. We feel, I'm very thankful for that. When I'm working on a patient with my expanded functions auxiliaries, Tracy and Deb, who also have 30 years apiece, the patients have 75 years experience working on them at any time. And I value that, and I know our patients do as well.
Well, let's take a look at some of the patients you've helped over the years and get ready for the wow factor. I'll
Well,
just say that.
yeah, thanks for that introduction.
Yeah.
Our first patient's Angela, and she had these spaces that developed as she got older between her teeth, and not a candidate for braces. She was in her 70s. She said, what can we do? And we did 8 porcelain veneers. Very lovely person, and said it exceeded her expectations. And she also left a Google review. Chuck had this big space between his teeth. He also went online to find out about us. We said, Chuck, I think we can close the space. We need to make things proportional. And in his case, 10 upper porcelain veneers, rather. We reshaped the lowers. And just recently, Joe, we completed his lowers as well. Joe's a very interesting guy, pretty quiet. And he said he never felt comfortable about his teeth. He knows that people see his teeth when he works with them, and was always self-conscious about it. He actually liked wearing the mask. Now that it's off, he said, let's take
Mm.
care of my teeth. And so again, 8 porcelain veneers. We removed some old bonding, and he was thrilled with the result. Lana, high school student, always walked around with this space unless she had a
Oh,
flipper. Again, so she wore that during school times at home. She took it out to eat. Her mom
wow.
and Lana came in and said, we want something nice for a senior picture. We did some porcelain bridge work and also some porcelain veneers to give her that beautiful smile. And now you can see she's
Oh
picture
my
ready.
goodness.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And speaking of school, not just students, this is Tracy, a teacher for years, had wanted to get her teeth done, late 50s, never liked the way she looked. Very gregarious, but she said she didn't smile for pictures and often was a little bit embarrassed. So we did 10 porcelain veneers on the upper, reshaped the lower. She also left a beautiful review that made us feel good about what we do as cosmetic dentists.
Well, if you want to become part of the Dr. Marsh family and be part of the team, all you have to do is make that first step. You can do it one of 2 ways. You can give them a call at 440-461-1003, or simply log on to the website clevelandsmiles.com. Experience shows, no doubt about it. Doctor, thank you so much.
And thank you, Joe.